Hello everyone, I'm Zada. Today I'm excited to introduce the new benchmark of efficiency in mining excavators, SUNWARD SWE950F, the new dominator in 95-ton mining class, ideal for mining, hydraulic engineering and port construction projects. Powered by a high-performance engine and custom large displacement hydraulic system for responsive operation, featuring independent hydraulic oil cooling for energy efficiency, noise reduction, stable heavy load performance, and outstanding overall efficiency of this machine. Built with reinforced heavy-duty chassis and four-wheel track system for superior stability, strengthened sleeving bearing with 5 forged structure supports ensure the maximum reliability. Standard features include automatic lubrication, multi-stage fuel filtration, and oil bath air filters engineered for harsh conditions to extend the service life. Spacious maintenance access ensures the safer, more convenient servicing. The SWE950F is designed for large-scale earth-moving operations. It delivers robust power, exceptional reliability, easy maintenance, and superior long-term cost efficiency.